Welcome to Jotform. My name is George, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate customer satisfaction, also known as CSAT. In this video, we will be covering how to build it and how to use it in a real-world scenario. So follow me to my desktop right now. Alright, this is our demo form, and let's get started to add those survey elements to get our customer satisfaction score. So let's go into Elements, scroll down to Survey Elements, and we're going to add 2 scale ratings for this demo. The first question will be, for example, how was the sales service? Question. Next one is, how was support service? Okay, just 2 random questions. The next element we need is over here on the widgets. Go form calculation. And in the form calculation, we're gonna add these 2 scores to get our customer satisfaction score. So for example, we're gonna use the field from this score plus the next field would be like, how was support service? Let's save it. And just for demo purposes, we're gonna change these to a scale from 1 to 10. You can keep them at 5 if you like. And this one would be the CSAT. Okay. Now in this demo, we're gonna be able to view the CSAT score, but we can hide the element if we don't want the end user to view it, which would be the best way to do it. Let's preview this form. All right, and just a random user. How was the sales service? Okay, it was an 8. And how was support service? Support, again, it's a 9. So we're good. We got a CSAT of 17, so customer satisfaction score of 17. Now, what else can we do with this? For example, first thing we want to do is we want to hide this. We don't want to show it. Advanced settings, hide the field, and this way the end user doesn't see that score. Now, what happens if we get a low score? What can we do with this? Well, in a real world scenario, we could send out a different thank you page based on the score that we get. So for example, let's go into settings, conditional logic, and what we're gonna do is change the thank you page. So for example, if the customer satisfaction score is less than, for example, the value of these 2 added values of the values that you have added, if it scores less than 10, for example, in this case, we can display a different thank you message. So for example, if we have this message right here, we could say, if we got a lower score, we could say, how can we help you? Just in case, right? So we can display a different thank you message based on the score, or send a different email and do a lot of things with conditional logic depending on the customer satisfaction score that you get. Well, that is how you calculate the customer satisfaction score on Jotform. We thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on our next tutorials.